this video, we will learn how to move arrays and clusters. Follow these steps to move an array or a cluster. We can use the positioning tool to click the array shell border, the index display, or the cluster shell border. To select the entire array or cluster, not just the element display, drag the array or cluster to a new location. Note, we can also select the array or cluster by dragging the positioning tool diagonally across it. After we have selected the array or cluster in this manner, we can move it using the positioning tool. If we move only the element in the array or cluster instead of the entire array or cluster, the element separates from the array or cluster because the array shell or cluster shell and its elements are not locked together. We can select Edit, Undo, Move to cancel the operation, or press the escape key before we release the mouse button.